Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add an application to your Shopify store. To start this tutorial, open myshopify.com in your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Make sure as well you've already logged into My Shopify when you open your internet browser. If not, go ahead and take this time in logging in to myshopify.com. Once you are in My Shopify, go to your search bar this time and click on Apps. Over at Apps, click on Recommended Apps. In here, select any app that you will need for your very own Shopify store. Once done, click on Apps again and then go to Recommended Apps. And then in here, there will be a lot of options. Once you choose one, all you have to do this time is click on the application that you think you might need for your Shopify page. Now click on the button that says Add. Once you click on Add, you will now be redirected to another tab. As you can see here, the website will be loading. All you have to do is wait for the website to finish loading this time. In here, you will need to wait for the website to finish loading. This might take some time, but don't worry, it should be done soon. Now, once this window appears, all you have to do this time is tap on Install App. It's on the upper right. Once you tap on it, the website will load once again. It will take some time. But don't worry, once you install app, the application that you have chosen should now be part of your Shopify page. Now Shopify will reload. Once it's done reloading, it should now be available in your apps window. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe.